Hi, my name is Irvin Tansioco, and I graduated at UC Berkeley with a degree in electrical engineering and computer science. This week, I'll be interviewing with Meta, Amazon, and Ramp. In this week's project, we were tasked to do a web scraper to power an AI Q&A engine. And today, we'll be talking about what problem are we trying to solve, what solutions did we come up with, who is it for, how does it work, what's behind the app, and a demonstration of what we'd come up with. Let's talk about Dr. Sarah. Dr. Miller is a neuroscientist who faces the daunting task of researching dozens of dense publications to identify emerging brain tumor treatments for a clinical trial. Overwhelmed by conflicting data and medical jargon, she spent hours piecing together insights, fearing she might miss critical information. This is a universal pain point. If you go to college, you'll probably remember this. And we ask, why is conducting research so frustrating and time consuming, especially if we just want to ingest pertinent information? Our solution simplifies research by scraping and cleaning web content, summarizing it with AI, enabling interactive follow ups through a chat interface, and providing source attribution. This allows researchers to focus on insights rather than manual data processing. Like Sarah, this is applicable to anyone who needs a quick rundown of an article or publications. The way this works is Sarah inputs her question with a link. We extract the link and visit the URL using Turio web-based loader, parse the HTML, and feed it to an LM to summarize as one of its tasks. For the scraper method, I use LangChain to streamline the process. Turio web-based loader visits the URL and select contents from these HTML tags, convert it to regular text using HTML to text transformer. Feed those extracted content to sequence of events or chaining. This is very intrinsic to LangChain, and where the output feeds into the input of the next steps. We start with a prompt, invoke a runnable sequence, and pass in the prompts, the model, and the chat history. Behind the scenes, the input is added to the chat history to process by our model, which we use Grok for this app. For the app, we use TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, LangChain, Grok, Llama. This is a simple chat interface adding colors to make it pop. At the bottom is the default suggestions. In the prompt, we ask what we need and supply the link. You can see how the Elm respond with the citations. It also responds with follow-up questions about the publications and also remembers the title. At the moment, the memory is ephemeral, which only lives during the sessions. But later on, we'll add a long-term memory, which we'll be using Redis. That's all I have today. Thank you very much.